Yes, the shower does need cleaned, but what you're looking at here in a lot of spots is a failing finish of previously painted tub and tile paints that didn't last. So that's why we're here. We're going to fix this up. So DeWitt Paint Company was kind enough to send me this tub and tile paint. I'm super excited about this, as you saw my shower situation. So in the past, we've used really stinky, smelly paints that didn't really do the job. As you can see, the finish failed after a while. So inside we have this masking tape, and this is the kind that has the plastic sheet that you can unfold to really cover up surfaces that you don't want to get any paint on. And there's a bag of goodies in here, and the tub and tile paint. Okay. So let's see what else. There's a book with instructions, and then there's the hardener. That must be the secret sauce, because other paints that I've used were just pre-mixed, and that must give it the hardening, kind of like some of the wood fillers that I've used in the past need a hardener, and they get super strong. Epoxies, resins, that I've used, you use a hardener. So I'm really excited about that. So I'll be reading up on the instructions before I get started. But the rest of the things that are included in this kit are more masking tape. And there is a brush. And this is a nice soft synthetic brush. A stirrer. Gloves, because we all know this is kind of a messy job. But I think they're really setting me up right here. So a handle for a roller. And also some sandpaper. This is 360 grit, and that'll get us started on the right foot. I gathered all my cleaning supplies together, and my supervisor, Grizz, really isn't much help, but he's a good companion. I start by using a cleaner with bleach that I'm just spraying on. Now that it's clean, you can really see all of the chips of paint that are happening. So we're going to get busy and get a sandpaper to that and get rid of any of those rough spots. I have everything taped off using what was included in the kit. All gloved up, I squeeze the hardener into the paint, and then I give it a really good stir to make sure it's mixed thoroughly. I cut in and roll a section at a time, again with the supplies that were provided in the package. One coat is on. I'm gonna be done for the night and come back in the morning and put on a second coat. Here's what it looks like in the early morning light. I'm really pleased, and the best thing about it is it doesn't stink. We could sleep. I did a second coat, let that dry, and we didn't touch it for a whole week. And I'm doing a little caulking. Here's the scratch test. I decided to put it to the test and do some scratching. Left the volume up so you could hear. Remember that frightening pullback of the shower curtain in the beginning? Let's take a look now. Would I recommend DeWill Tub and Tile Paint? I absolutely would. It's a great value because you get everything you need in the kit. It doesn't stink and it doesn't scratch. Go to dwillpaint.com and get a 30% discount with discount code STATEMENT30. Thank you so much for watching today. And thanks to DeWill for providing my tub makeover. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. You can also join our channel membership now. Find us on the web at www.statementdesigns.org and on social media as Statement Designs. Stay well!